Hello everyone, welcome to Awesome in Tech. Today we'll be learning how I record my videos on a Windows 10 PC. Shut up. No, it doesn't matter what you care. Yeah. So here's what it's gonna be about. I use OBS. It's called Open Broadcaster Service or something like that. So here's how I install it. I open a browser. And I go to obsproject.com. Click on Windows and it'll open the installer. And then you go to the process and the steps to install. So now once you have it installed, you can start it. I use it to live stream, which I haven't done yet, but I can use it to live stream. I have something here called Screen Recorder, and I use this to capture my Microsoft Teams meetings to make it live on YouTube. I don't use this channel. This is my screen recorder. It's what I use to record my screens or stream it. It's really cool. As you can see, you will see infinite OBS studios and infinite screens because that's what's gonna happen. So as you can see, this is recording right now. You click this, it should say start recording. You click on it, and then it'll say stop recording. That means you're recording. And then we have start streaming. It's the same thing. We're going to recording right now. We're not going to do streaming. When you start streaming, I'm going to start a live stream. I go to youtube.com. youtube.com. I'm going to go to AA, their channel, and I'm going to click on create, go live. I'm going to use a streaming software here. Try again. I'm going to be using a streaming software here. I'm using OBS obviously. So this is the best way to start live streaming. I'm going to edit this and I'm going to call it Awesome in Live Stream, and it's going to be private. It's going to be description. I'm going to go ahead and put this in science and technology. I call this description test live stream. Yes, it's made for kids. Save. And stream key, I'm going to make this visible and I'm going to copy it. Then you come to OBS, click start stream. So what you do is you click on file. Sorry, no. Click on tools, auto configuration wizard. So this probably won't work right now. Probably because I am using it. So usually what you'll do is you will copy it and then go to OBS, go to tools, click on auto configuration wizard. once you get to auto configuration wizard, what you'll do is you'll put in the stream key, you'll choose YouTube or RTMP, RMTP I think. Yes, RTMP. And then you're gonna put it in here. And that's how you start streaming. Another easier way. Shut up. So another way. This is the easier way. It's no watermark, as you can see, nothing. This is what I used to record, and now let's go ahead and go to how I even edit this. This is gonna be the next video on how I edit my videos. So first of all, that is just how you can record videos on Windows 10. And if you wanna use a recorder, or sorry, if you wanna use what is it called again? I feel like banging my head right now. I forget what it's called. Yes. I don't know why. If you want to use a video editor, yes, that's the term I'm looking for. A video editor that's on your PC, that comes with your PC. You can go to video editor, open the video editor. I do not know how to use this. It's weird. A new project. I want to create a new video, okay. And I'm gonna add a video from this PC. I'm gonna use the OBS. One's this one, an Indian gang one. I can use this and put it in here. And now it's in here. I can add another one from this PC. And I can go ahead and add this. It's that I do not know exactly how to use this. I will try and learn how to do it. If you have a Mac over here, I do not know how to screen record on Mac. I'm probably gonna be doing that in one of my next tutorial is gonna be on how I edit my videos, but my next one is gonna be on how to do it on Mac. I do not have a Mac. I'm probably gonna use my dad's Mac. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new from this video. If you did, drop a like there. If you want to know what to do, email me at if you want to request me for another tutorial, email me at awesomeman.yt@gmail.com with no caps in it at all. So that is it. Please subscribe to my channel, and when I say comment, it means email me. Comment and like this video. Thank you for being here. Have a great day.